Hi everyone, welcome to Christmas Crafts with Karie. Today we're going to be making a Christmas sleigh using candies you can find at any supermarket. So to begin with, you will need a king-size Hershey bar, 4 candy canes, 8 round peppermints, 7 Ghirardelli chocolate squares, some Hershey Kisses, and a glue gun. Here, just to show you guys, is what our finished product will look like. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you will want to put down some newspaper because you are using a hot glue gun. So the first thing you want to do is use your glue gun to attach one of your round peppermints to the middle of each candy cane. These will be your sleigh rails and the peppermints will connect them to your base. Next, you will glue each sleigh rail to the bottom of your Hershey bar along the edge. Once you have done that, glue a round peppermint between the candy canes and your candy bar where the 2 candy canes connect on each side. Let this dry. Once you have your sleigh rails attached and your glue is dry, flip your sleigh so it is right side up. Now you will make a basket with the chocolate squares. You want to leave the side facing the front open. Once that's done, you will glue 2 of your Ghirardelli squares on top of each other at the front of your sleigh so it makes a kind of seat cushion. Now glue 2 round peppermints to those chocolate squares to make the seat back. Now all that's left is to fill your sleigh basket with Hershey Kisses and you're done. Now you have a cute Christmas sleigh you can give as a gift or to display. Thank you for watching Christmas Crafts with Karie. Happy holidays!